Good morning, everyone. So today is going to be the first day of the new year. Before starting the first day of new year, let us look like how the previous year has closed. It is good to have some clear view on how yearly closing, monthly closing has happened. You are seeing Nifty chart on my screen. Let me first go to the yearly chart. So on the yearly chart, if you see this big hammer, this was formed during the corona year. It went very much low and it recovered everything, and it even formed a hammer kind of thing. And from there we started this strong bullish rally for the last 2 years. And this year also, this is kind of not clear. This is in between doji and hammer. We can also conclude this like a indecisive candle as well. So even though it is bullish, we cannot take this as a clue for like how it is going to be for next year. Now let us look on half yearly. On half yearly for the last three, for the last 1.5 year, market was like kind of sideways to bullish move, sideways to small uptrend kind of thing. Now let us take a look on monthly chart. So on monthly chart, if you see, this has formed a kind of engulfing on monthly, which indicates a bearish view. To this, if I add Bollinger Band to see like how far the prices are overstretched, and this formation has formed where? On the top of the Bollinger Band. After a rise in price at the top of Bollinger Band, this is what we are seeing. So with this, at least the view what I can build is, it is very hard for the market to make all-time highs in near zone. Okay, as long as it don't break the all-time high level of 18,900 level, we cannot make a bullish view in the market. And to confirm our bearish view, market has to go below this engulfing monthly candle. If this month, if we see closing happens below 17,800, that gives some clue like market is going to crash from here. So either it has to break that high or it has to close below last month low. That is where we can take some clues from the market, whether it is going up or down. Even if you see in the past, you can see one formation here where bearish, bearish engulfing happened, and the next month you can see another bearish candle. Once the low has been taken out, we have seen a significant fall over there, and from there time correction happened almost for another 4-5 months. So on the top of the Bollinger Band, when you see engulfing, what will happen? Either time correction or price correction could happen. That too, if you see this after a significant rise in price, there is a high chance of correction. But 20 EMA is holding that price before. Now, even if I take the similar study here, so bearish engulfing has formed, and once market closes below this, I can expect at least till this 20 EMA or even till monthly super trend. So on monthly, this is bit looking bearish. We have to remain with that view until the market break all-time high one more time. On weekly, this is kind of bullish harami. It is very important to see like how this week is going to close. If it close below the super trend, we cannot rule out market coming first to this demand 17,400 and then eventually to 16,200. Again, we are not expecting this to happen in a week or two. Maybe if it close on monthly, if it close below last month low, definitely in another 1-2 months, we can see these levels. So if we look on daily, when we were here at this hammer kind of thing, we thought like still there is some more room for Nifty to move up until this super trend, which we witnessed yesterday. It went almost close to the super trend, and from there it started falling. So this has formed kind of dark cloud kind of pattern, which is again a bearish sign. To confirm this, it has to close below this red candle. Even closing below this green candle confirms much more. We need to see how today is going to be. We can take some look on intraday levels on 15 minutes. We have this nice rally based rally along with some nice follow through. So this is one 15 minutes demand zone around 18,050. We can try to look to go long here with stop loss below 18,020 somewhere. And the supply here I am seeing is around 18,677. We can short market when it go here, or you can buy puts around this area with this small 30-40 points of stop loss. Another level is much far away, so we don't have to look for it. Just remember these two levels on Nifty. Now let us look on Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, if I look on a yearly candle, it is much stronger than Nifty. You can see even the yearly closing. This is Corona year. It recovered completely. This is a nice bullish sign. And next 2 years it rallied. And even this year also it has closed in a strong green candle. Now let us look on monthly chart. So on monthly, we can say this formed kind of caveat, which means on the upper Bollinger Band, when the price close and open happens above the upper Bollinger Band, that is kind of bearish sign. In order for Bank Nifty to confirm the bearish sign, even it has to, similar like Nifty, it has to close below last month low. Then we can take the clue like, okay, market is going to crash. Okay, so until it don't close below this, we can't build any view on Bank Nifty as well. Definitely, at least after forming this, maybe there could be, as long as it don't break the high of last month high, we can expect some price correction or time correction. We can see Bank Nifty going sideways just like 1,000 points up or down for next few months. Or once it closed below last month low, we can also see a significant correction in the market. Now, if I look on weekly, there are no much clues. This is just an inside candle. Once the low is taken out, we can definitely expect the range of, we can expect the target of 39,600. And eventually, if everything turn bearish, we can also expect 35,500. This is not just like 1 or 2 days view. We are expecting this to happen maybe in couple of months. If I go to my daily chart, so on daily, it broke the super trend. It even closed above 20 SMA, and the very next day it has closed below this. We need to see like where the market will head today, and then we'll take some clues from the market. Okay, now let me see on 15 minutes if there are any nice levels. So on 15 minutes, we are seeing level below level. Let me remove these indicators. So on 15 minutes, we are seeing these levels. I believe this was one level which worked yesterday. Okay, now we'll look at fresh levels. This is one fresh level around 42,700. And if you remember, okay, so on monthly, we'll maintain the bearish view only if market close below 41,600. On weekly, yeah, on weekly also the same monthly level will remain very crucial because it is almost at one swing high. It broke that level. We need to see if market close below 41,700, will definitely maintain some bearish view. Yeah, you can see this is the swing high. Now I am on daily chart. This was some swing high area. That level has been taken out, and again the same level is acting as support now, and we have seen some nice rally from that level. Now, one more time, I'm going back to my 15 minutes level. On 15 minutes, you can look to go long around this area, 42,700 with small stop loss of like 70, 80 points. Generally, what I suggest when you see level below level, go for type 3 entry from here, which means if price come here and if you see any green candle in 15 minutes closing above this candle, then you can look to go for long. And the best way to work with two levels is to enter somewhere in middle of these two levels. Okay, that is how you need to trade. On the upside, the levels are a bit far away. The supply zones are somewhere close to 43,400. So the levels are very far. So we can only rely on the demand levels. Let me also show you something important which give you some idea like how the markets are going to be today. I'm taking the help of CPR. CPR is nothing but central pivot point split. There is small formula which split one standard pivot point into small range. Okay, so yesterday it was wide CPR, which was like a sideways kind of move we expected in the market, and throughout the day we saw the similar kind of thing. And today it is inside CPR. The CPR, whatever it is forming today, that was inside the range of yesterday's CPR. What this indicates is today it is going to be a trending market. Trending market, either the move can be one side or it can be a V-shaped recovery. Basically, there will be a nice move today in the market. This is what CPR is telling us. In case if today it is going to be a sideways market, for sure tomorrow it will be a trending market. So whenever we see some inside CPR, what it tells is it is going to be a trending day on that day. By any chance, if market goes sideways on this day, the very next day it is going to be a trending day. Okay. I hope this will help you to trade with intraday levels and with some long-term view. And I'll keep posting our levels during the day. Thank you for watching.